open skies, not knowing where the road might arise. Some came to teach, some came to stay, and left their mark along the way. Some brought healing, some left scars, yet every soul became a star. Through every ending, every start, some names stay written in the heart. Written in the heart, our roads became one. Something was forming before we'd begun. Some came and left, some chose to stay, and changed who we became along the way. Written in the heart, through joy and pain, some souls return like a sweet refrain. What brought us here was there from the start. Some souls stay written in the heart. Oh, Ash brought a vision, clear and strong, and somehow we all came along. We shared the waiting, weathered the rain, and found new purpose through every strain. The journey changed the way we see, revealing who we came to be. Through every night that felt too long, we found each other in the song. Written in the heart, our roads became one. Something was forming before we'd begun. Some came and left, some chose to stay, and changed who we became along the way. Written in the heart, through joy and pain, some souls return like a sweet refrain. What brought us here was there from the start. Some souls stay written in the heart. Every meeting leaves a trace. Some souls simply find their place. Some become chapters